Revenue share, what is it? So revenue share is referrals. So a lot of people think that all we do here at EXP is refer people and we don't do business. Guess what? We could not be in business as a brokerage if there were not high producing agents throughout this brokerage. The difference in the revenue share here at EXP versus other places, you don't just become another agent when you work at EXP. You become part owner in this company. Not only that, this revenue share is something that you can utilize to continue to build on. The more people who you refer in, the more your revenue share builds. There are agents here who don't even have to recruit people because people want to know, why did you leave where you were at and come to EXP? That's happened to me several times. I've had plenty of agents contact me and ask, why did you go to EXP? This revenue share program is not only there for me, this is something that is willable, and it's something that can help me retire if I build it up the right way. And if I brought you to EXP, you wouldn't be paying me. I'm just introducing you to a great model, to the EXP model. I'm introducing you to an agent-centric model that will help you not only grow your business that you do right now, but it will help you continue to grow as an agent. So joining EXP, you're still your own agent. You have just joined a huge agent-centric network that will help you grow and grow your business.